The Pharmaceutical Selling Skills course provides you with detailed information about the practices, principles, and tools involved in all aspects of pre-selling and selling process, resulting in creating loyal customers. This course will introduce you to the pharmaceutical and healthcare market and the vital role of the medical representative in all healthcare companies, pharmaceutical, hospital equipment, medical devices, consumables, and diagnostic reagents. The complete selling process will discuss and examine thoroughly, starting by targeting the right prospects, which is a crucial stage that will save you time and effort by targeting the right prospects and classify them to allocate your time and resources for the best ROI. You will learn how to prepare for your visit, the customer relationship management, and how to organize all of your customers' interactions, as well as the adaptive selling, which allows you to profile your customers, understand their needs, and adapt your communication and product detailing accordingly. Following comes the sales approach, which will help you to make a good impression and establishing credibility. Also, you will learn about the process of preparing your product detailing, how you can stay focused on results and outcomes. Therefore, you will gain a full understanding of the main types of objections that you may encounter during your visits, and the techniques and tactics how to handle these objections and overcome all types of objections. Finally, despite that, the winning closing is the reward for your effort. However, it's not the end of your sales activity. Post-call analysis and follow-up will guarantee that you will return your customers, creating loyal customers, and repeating sales over and over.